Nathan again, and this is a video on how to turn your competitors' either page likers or group members into a custom audience. So this onboarding is quite annoying. Enter. There we go. So like it also works on LinkedIn actually as well. So essentially what we can do is if your competitors have a group or they have like a page, for example, I personally don't use this because I'm not allowed to, but I know of people who use this. So if we add sources, ClickFunnels, and we can choose to go for full information, I would probably recommend you do that actually, as you're going to get much more targeted results. But just for like the purpose of this video, there's no need for me to do it. But like let's say my competitor is ClickFunnels or like WordPress. If I'm building like a website builder or something, I'm sure you know the competitors that you have off the top of your head. I recommend you do separate projects for each one. By the way, you want to keep the audiences separate, but we'll just start with one of ClickFunnels. We just click add, and what this tool is going to do is go onto ClickFunnels Facebook group, and it is going to extract all of the members, as you can see. So we've got 238,000 users, sorry. So we click start analyzing. That's quite a big group actually, so it's going to take a while, and it's going to get all of their information that it can find. I'm not quite sure how long this is going to take actually, but essentially once it's done, you can then share it. I think the button comes up here somewhere. I can't remember where it comes. Export records. So I'm not going to wait around for this to like finish, but you can just click export records and then send it directly to Facebook. Before you used to be able to make Facebook audiences out of like custom Facebook user IDs, and you could extract them and make really good audiences, but that's all being deleted now. As you'll find with a lot of good growth hacks. So this is like the best way to do it now. This will take their first name, their location, their job title, their any public information it can find about them. It will send it over to Facebook and it will make a custom audience for you. So what I can, and this works on both groups and Facebook page likers. So I can now have my ClickFunnels custom audience. I can make a really targeted ad with like #1 alternative to ClickFunnels, like something along those lines, and it's going to have really good click-through rate. And then I can delete this because we're in the free trial. We can only do one at a time. Obviously, you can pay for it if you want to. We can then go and delete this audience, and we can start a new one. We would extract maybe like WordPress next, and then we can say like #1 alternative to WordPress, and you're going to have really targeted Facebook audiences for your custom. You're going to have really targeted Facebook custom audiences. So this is like a really great growth hack. So it works for both page likers and for Facebook group members. It also works for LinkedIn. It works on Instagram. You can get a 7-day free trial and actually start using this for free and get the information that you need. Obviously, if you do want to continue using it after that, it's about $200 per month for the tool. So yeah, I hope that you can use it. It is a really good way to get in front of your competitors' customers in a really like scalable manner. And like you could scrape this data yourself, but they've built a really good solution. You don't have to worry about proxies getting blocked, putting your accounts at risk, and all that other stuff. So definitely recommend using it. Any questions, as always, feel free to leave a comment. Please, like and subscribe for more growth hacking tips.